Now, let's talk about how to replace the glass panel of the rotary screen. First, before replacing it, you'll need to prepare a glass panel, a crosshead screwdriver, and it must be thin and flat. If it's too wide, it won't work. Ideally, you should have a pry bar, a very thin and flat one. This type of pry bar works best. Now, let's start by separating the base and the upper part of the rotary screen. There are two snap points on the bottom. The base should be separated from the control knob end. After the separation is complete, let's take a look at the glass panel that needs to be replaced. It has 4 snap points, labeled as 1, 2, 3, and 4. They correspond to the text here. When prying, use the pry bar to push it inwards as much as possible. This way, you can lift and detach the snap points. You'll notice that the snap points for prying are here, not here. If you pry from this side, it's easy to damage the glass panel. This is how you should pry it out. Remember to use this method for prying. This is how you should pry it out. Remember to use this method for prying. After prying it out, we'll adjust its position. Here is the lower part. Just snap it into place and align it with the pinhole here. All right, the replacement is complete.